Hello and welcome. So after finishing the Kotlin section, now we are going to move to Android Studio, which things will be very interesting. So as you can see guys, here we have to install and download the Android Studio IDE, okay, where we can develop and create our own Android applications. And guys, before actually Android Studio has a little bit of requirement, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and with the installation process. It's really simple, but a lot of people get an errors with them, so I'm gonna try my best to make it easy for you. So first of all guys, what we need to do, and open Google Chrome or any other web browser that you have and type download, okay, Android Studio, okay. And here we have the official website for developer.android.com from Google, and we are gonna open it and see what we are gonna get from it. So as you can see guys, here we have the stable version, the version that's for Android Studio, which was the previous versions, okay. And you can go ahead and click the download button right here, okay, and you will be in a great place. Okay, it's simple as that. Just hit the download button here, and you will get a download file that you can install it very easily. But for me guys, it's slightly different from what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the preview. Okay, now the preview version is just as you can see, it's get early access to the latest features and improvements in Android Studio. Now the reason behind this guys, because I wanna be updated as much as I can, okay. So the features that you will find it in the preview. It's actually it will do the job for us, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and download it because it will be easy for us to get the latest features from Android, okay. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and download the preview version, okay. It's like this, okay. So you can click this download button right here, and once it's, as you can see, it's quite a big file. That's why it will take some time, okay. So you can click this download button right here, and once the download is finished, you will get a zip file like this, okay. So extract it, okay, to get file to get a simple folder. Double click it and go to inside Android Studio. Then go guys inside this bin folder, and here we have this where it says Studio, then 64, okay. So run this application, okay. Just run this application, and it will start Android Studio for you, okay. Now guys, if it's the first time for you to install Android Studio, it will go ahead and automatically start downloading stuff like, for example, the SDK or the JDK if you do not have it installed. And this is actually really great feature of Android Studio, that you do not need to download and install everything manually. Android Studio, once you will launch this installer, Android Studio will automatically search on your computer for the requirement like the SDK and the JDK. And if it's not installed in your PC or in your computer, it will install it for you. That's why it's really a great and simple installation process. Now guys, in case but you want to make sure that you have internet connection as long as you want to install it, okay. Just make sure that you have internet connection, because if you do not have internet connection, that will break the installation and you will get a lot of errors, okay. Just make sure that you have internet connection and launch this file, okay. If you have 64-bit of your PC, okay. And it will be, if you do not have if you have 32, then you can launch this just Studio, okay. and it will launch the installer for you, and it will go ahead and download and install all the requirement for Android Studio. Once it's finished installing, it will take a lot of time, guys. I know the installation of Android Studio is very boring, but you want to make sure that you have an internet connection, then it will be just fine. Okay, and if you still get any errors, then probably you need to put that errors, and I will be glad to help you, and you will see how easy it is to install Android Studio. Okay guys, so as you can see, go ahead and download and install, launch this file and install these files, and once it's finished, okay, come back and watch the whole lectures. Now guys, after downloading and installing Android Studio, what you should get a window like this. Okay, now if you here, it's maybe you do not have these previous projects, okay, but you should get a window like this. Okay, so if you get it, then you are in a great place to continue with me. If it's not, then probably you need to get or to search for a solution for the error that you get, or you can put them in the question place and I will be there to help you. But just make sure that you get the window like this. Okay, so as you can see guys, I am working with the version 3.3 Canary 13. Okay, and if we open the website, as you can see, there is an update, okay, for my Android Studio. Okay, so there is no real matter, I'm gonna update it behind the scenes. Just I will update it behind the scenes, guys, for you, just to do not take too much time, of course. But go ahead and download and install Android Studio, which is the only tool that we are gonna use for the whole course. Okay, and please guys, if you get any error, again, I will be glad to help you. So thank you guys so much for watching. We are gonna continue on in the next video.